Hi there, my name is Suman. I am going to be your instructor in this Java course. In this video, we're going to talk about core Java. This course is long, so I will cover out in 5 videos. In this first video, I will show you introduction of Java, and I will discuss in the second video basic fundamental of Java. Next, we will learn small project and complete object-oriented concept. The final part of this course is complete project. Today is our first video. So today we will discuss introduction of Java. First of all, we have see what is Java. Java is a programming language. If you did not know what is programming language, so basically a programming language is a language through which can talk to machine and make them do things. Java is a high level object oriented programming language. Do not know what is object oriented? No need to fear. We will learn object oriented late in this course. Java was developed by Sun Microsystems in year 1995, which is now the subsidiary of Oracle company. James Gosling is known as the father of Java. What is JDK? JDK stands for Java Development Kit. The Java Development Kit is a software development environment which is used to develop Java application. It contains JRE plus development tools. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment.